Okay, I wrote down what I want on my notes. Oh, they can't see, it's like the light. There we go. Okay, so I wrote what I wanted on the notes. Then he's hitting select all, copy. You go to your settings, go back, it's right there. Go to settings, go to general keyboards. Oh, wait a minute, go back. You went to keyboards and you went to text replacement. Okay, go ahead, sorry. Okay, plus. He's pasting it into phrase. And then can you make the shortcut busy mom?
That means every time you type busy, you'll
Okay, then
have
do
to
mom.
exit out.
That's okay, do mom. It's the only way on there, mom.
I would do mom with 2 M's.
Do busy mom. Can you make it all one word without a space?
Yes, that'll help.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's frustrating.
Or BM. Oh, well, it's already done.
BM would be easier.
Okay. So you guys should do BM.
So if you want to edit it, you just click on it.
Perfect. So now will you show us how it works? How amazing is that?
And then you hit the space bar,
Uh-huh.
and it goes in.
Oh, amazing.
If you don't want it, then you have to hit the X.
Okay.